Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Favor Runner app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So here's the breakdown. The Favor Runner app offers flexible delivery and errand running service. You can request groceries, food or other items, and you have the runner fetch and deliver them to your doorstep. When things go well, it can be handy, especially if you don't have times to shop or need something delivered quickly. But many users report major frustrations like the frequent late or failed deliveries, hidden fee or inflate price, order cancelled or item missing, poor customer service and unpredictable reliability. So my conclusion, the Favor Runner can be useful if you are in a covered area and just need a quick errand done, but reliability issues and inconsistent service mean you should treat each order cautionally and avoid counting on its important or time-sensitive need. And that's it. I'll find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe.